Nyajong everyone, this is David Lee and I am the teacher for the beginning Nyiakeng Hmong language class for non-native Hmong speakers or English speakers. So today this video is a tutorial on how to download the PowerPoint presentation for the Nyiakeng Consonants and how to install the Hmong new font file. So with that being said, let's get it started. When you go and download the link from my Dropbox, you'll see that there'll be two files that you'll need to download. So when you download the first one, which is the PowerPoint presentation for the Nyiakeng Consonants, you don't have to sign up, you can just download the way it is. So right here, you'll see that there's about 15 pages, but when you scroll down to the Nyiakeng, you'll see some weird English letters right here, right? That's because it's not recognizing the Nyiakeng font. So what you do is that you download, you just close. Once it finishes, you can open up, but it still does not resolve the issue. So you'll see that it'll be letters like this. Now, the reason is because you have not downloaded and installed the Hmong new font file. So let's just close out this one. Then let's close out of this and let's go to the Hmong new font file. So when you click on here and then you download the file, you don't have to sign up or sign in. So once you download it, you open it up and then you install. Plain, it should be, you just install it. This is the same thing with now if it shows this, that means you've installed it before and you want to reinstall it. So install, check, install, right? So this is the same process with Windows as well. I'm doing it on Mac, but it's the same process as Windows. So when you open up the PowerPoint presentation now, it should return back to normal. So we go here, there you go. It should be working. And so the audio files should play. So when you click on this, you should hear the open syllable and closed syllable. Alright, so with that being said, that is it for the PowerPoint presentation. And when you download it, you should be able to play the sound and see the Nyiakeng characters correctly. Thank you very much.